Okay friends, so throughout this video let's focus to create a badge style logo, something like this. So first of all, let's create a rounded style text character object. Okay, before you go ahead, make sure to reset the character and paragraph panels, and then with the ellipse tool, let's draw a circle. Okay, and again let's make another copy above it, so tap Ctrl C, Ctrl F, and then make it a bit smaller. So now I am going to type this text in this smaller circle, and this text in the bigger circle. So what you have to do is right click on the text tool and pick type on a path tool. Then just click on the path of the circle. Now let me type ELRT Camino. Okay. Then tap Ctrl A, or you can drag the text to highlight them. And I'm going to customize the font type and font size a little bit. So guys, you can use whatever font type you have installed in your PC. So I'm going to use Navy's bold. Okay, fine. And let me increase the font size bit also. And also let me add some spaces between the characters. Okay. And from the paragraph panel, let me align its center. Then activate the selection tool, and you can just rotate the circle to balance it. Okay. Let's say if I want to balance it precisely, then I can use the transform panel. So make sure center point is active, and use this rotation option to make it more balanced. Now I can make more space between the characters if I tap Alt right arrow key in my keyboard. And let's say if you want to decrease the character space, you can tap Alt left arrow key in your keyboard. Okay. Now I'm going to select this bigger circle and reduce the size of it with the Alt and Shift key, and let me try to align it with the edge of the text. Okay, fine. Then again with the type on a path tool, click the path, and let's type luxury lodge. Then again activate the selection tool and rotate clockwise. But as you can see, the text is upside down. I want to make it like this. So what you have to do is just grab this line up to flip the text. Then you can use the transform panel to make it more balanced, to centralize the text. Okay, and let me add some space between the characters also. Yeah, cool. That's fine for me. Now I'm gonna add tiny stars instead of these two dots. So let me pick the star tool from the shape tools and zoom the document, and let's draw a star like this and align it properly. Okay, then with the Alt and Shift key you can make another duplicate of it and align it on the other side of the circle. Okay, fine. Finally I'm going to use these silhouettes. So you can find a leaf silhouette, something like this. If you type leaf silhouettes in Google search bar, So I'm gonna copy this and paste it over my document. Now I'm gonna use silhouette option, tracing option. Okay, then expand it and centralize it on the badge. Okay, that is also done. Okay, now most probably it looks similar to this badge style. Okay, but if I want, I can modify it further. For an example, I can draw another circle like this. Okay, and first of all, let me remove the color from it and apply stroke color. And I'm going to use aligning option to align it properly. So I'm going to select the circle and text elements together and click to activate the text as a key object. Then from the align panel, click horizontal align center, vertical align center. There we go. Now again, I can select a circle shape and make a duplicate of it. So tap Control C, Control F. Then reduce the size of that circle like this, and then let me select both circles with the Shift key, and from the Pathfinder panel, use the minus front option to trim them. Now I can change the font and stars colors to white first. Okay, and let me change the circle color to black. Now I cannot see the text because the circle object is in front of the text, right? So if I tap Control Shift left square bracket key, there we go. So guys, in this lesson you learned how to work with Type on a Part tool and create a badge style logo. So you can try yourself to create some more badge style logos like these to improve your skills. So that's all about in this lecture, and let's meet on my next video.